day trading fam. I just got back from the mall in Hawaii and I'm going to give you a tour of what I got. First, I got this little cute notebook for at school since it's like coming in 12 days. So, it's really cute. I love it. Look, guys, it says Aloha and the cute little glasses. I love it. Okay. Next, I have some glasses for school because the sun's going to be out because summer is starting and ending. It's so hot outside. So, yeah, so cute. I need to try these on. They're little seashells. I love them. They fit perfectly. I love the color. And it really protects my eyes from the sun because it's really bright outside today. So I'm going to try to package these. Okay. And here one. Got it. Yay. And then I got dumplings, you guys. This is like the main attraction of my day. I saw so many squishies, but as soon as I saw my eyes on the last dumplings, I basically ran over there to swipe these. I'm going to do the big one first. I really want the pink or the green. Okay. Slide that up. Almost dropped it there. We don't want it to fall off the balcony. I know they're not real dumplings, but hey, at least they're like close to dumplings. But like, look how cute they are. Like, I could not resist, you guys. Even if they're not real, they're still cute. Try. Okay? You guys look fast, okay? 3, 2, 1. I got green! Ooh, I love the texture. It kind of looks teal when you put it up to the sunlight. I'm so happy! Okay. Now, let's do the mini, which looks really easier to open. Okay. I know they're not real, but hey, at least they're cute. And then I really want this one, and I don't know if it's different, but if not this one, then this one. I don't even know if they're different. I'm just assuming they're different. Okay. I'm so excited for this one. We saw a lot of squishies there. And I think this is going to be really good. Get that? That sounds lucky. Okay. You guys look fast, okay? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, wait, which one is this? You guys, I have no idea which one it is, but I love it. Oh, I think it's that one. Oh my gosh. I love how cute it looks. Look, it literally has the little ears in the front. I love it. So, I'm so happy. And I can't believe it's almost school time. I just cannot believe that I got the green. So, I hope you guys have the best summer break ever. Yeah.
Drew, which one did you get?
Yeah, which one did you get, Drew? Blue.
Blue like the ocean. I love it.
And we are at Hawaii.
That's right. All right, you guys, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Have the
See you
best school
soon.
year ever. Bye. we did some more shopping and I got this last thing. It's called Sea Sweet Blind Box. And I'm really excited. I hope I get the round one, the little lemon one. And I love all of them, so I'm gonna be happy with whatever I get. Those are just my top 2. And I'm so excited. Okay, you guys. We found this at the little mock in our hotel. And this is going to be a really fun one. I love blind boxes. Like, you guys know the drill. Okay, you guys look fast. Oh, I didn't notice there's another package, so you guys. This is really hard to open.
You need help?
Yes, Mom. Wait, no, I found it. I found the lip. Okay, you guys, look fast. Did I get the other one? Oh, I got this cute one. Okay, which one is this? I got the scoops. Okay. It doesn't look like how it looks on the box. I will say on the box it looks a lot better, but I am still grateful. I love it. Where's the chair?
Show it to us.
There it is. Little spin.
Cute.
Not what I was promised on the box, but love it. Bye, Trading Crayon. Love you.